Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hugh, and today I am going to show you how to use keyframes in CapCut. So what are keyframes? Keyframes allows you to make changes in different elements of your timeline by placing points in different parts of your timeline. I know this is very confusing, but you'll see it in action as I go through the tutorials. So let's get started. Alright, I am going to use this video for our tutorials. Over here, click on video under basic and the scale. The diamond right here, that's the keyframe right there. And over in our video, I am going to place the first keyframe at the beginning of the video clip right here. And then over here, I'm going to click on the keyframe, click on it. I'm going to place the second keyframe right here and click on the keyframe right here. And then the third keyframe right there. And for some reason, if you feel like you want to delete the keyframe, it's really easy. All you have to do is click on it and then go back here and then just use the delete button to delete it. Okay, let's put it back. All right, so right now, so far we have three keyframes. The first one is right here, second one right here, and the third one right here. To do the zoom in, zoom out, go to the second keyframe, click on it, and from the scale right here, move the scale just like that, just like that. All right, let's play our video to see what it looks like. As you can see, it's zooming in. Slowly, it's zooming in. And once it hits the second keyframe, it's going to zoom out again because that's what we wanted. And if you want to use the dramatic zoom in, zoom out, what happened is you want to place the keyframe very close to each other. Let's do that. The first keyframe, I'm going to put it right here. And the second keyframe, I am going to put it right there. So click on the second keyframe. And on the scale, just move it really fast. Like that. Let's play our video to see what it looks like. See how fast the zoom in is? Alright, so that is the dramatic zoom in and zoom out. Next, we're going to do the color effect. I am going to change from color to black and white. Let's go from color to black and white like this. So click on the video. Go over to adjustments right here. Click on adjustments. Move down here. And under saturation right here, I'm going to put the first keyframe. Move down in the saturation. Put the first keyframe, and then of course again the second keyframe, and the third keyframe right there. Go back to the second keyframe and then move the saturation scale all the way to 0, all the way to the left. So far it's a -50 right here. So as you can see, my video is right now black and white. Let's play our video to see what it looks like. It's changing. It's changing the colors to black and white. And once it hits the second keyframe, it's going to move back to color effect. Alright, so that is the color effect. Let's increase the volume using our keyframes. Alright, so let's increase the volume in this video. I'm going to add some music. How do you increase the volume? Alright, so let's do it. First, click on the music track. Right here. And then we're going to place the keyframe right here underneath volume. We're going to place the keyframe. Click on the keyframe right here. It's already right here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here already. So we're going to place, that's the first keyframe. We're going to place the second keyframe again by clicking on the diamond. And then the third keyframe right here. Go back to the second keyframe, click on it, and then go up to the volume, drag the volume all the way, increasing it. That's one method, or you can increase the volume by clicking on the up arrow like this. Alright, so let's play our videos to see what it sounds like.
Happy New Year. Fill your heart with joy and cheer. Happy New Year.
Slowly the volume is decreasing, and that's what we wanted. Let's add some moving hearts into our videos. Go to stickers and you can choose any stickers that you want. I'm going to choose this heart. Right here, and then extend it all the way right there. And I am going to resize it to make it smaller, and I'm going to hide it right over here. And this time in the sticker, we're going to add the keyframe in the sticker, okay? So that is the important part right there. So our first keyframe, go to position right here. Go to position, click on the keyframe right here. We're going to place the second keyframe right here. And then the third keyframe right there. Right there. And we're going to go back to the second keyframe, click on it, and then go to the heart where the heart is. We're going to drag it down. We're going to drag it down just like this. And I'm going to place it right there. So let's go back and let's play our video to see what it looks like. The heart is moving, as you can see. And once it hits the second keyframe, it's going to move back. And that's what we wanted. That's it. You just learned how to use different types of keyframes in CapCut. And thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. And I'll see you on my next video.